Hello guys, so this is the fifth video under the chapter 1 series. Today we'll be looking into something known as the characteristics of business. Now, what does characteristics means? So, characteristics means a quality or a feature. To understand it, we'll look into an example. Now, when you are describing a person you saw, you will be telling things like he was tall, short, or even fair, he had curly hair. So everything are features of that person. So similarly, the business also have certain features. So today we'll be looking into such features of a business. So the first one is exchange or selling takes place. All businesses sell or exchange goods and services for a monetary value. Now, these are necessary to generate income so that business can survive. If there is no such thing like selling or exchange, then there is no business activity. Let's take an example to understand this. Now, our mom cooking food to feed us is not considered as a business. But a chef in a hotel who's cooking to sell food to its customer is considered as a business. Now, what's the difference? Because there was an activity that is known as selling takes place in the hotel, while there is no activity like selling takes place in our home. So that's the difference between a business and a normal cooking done by our mom. Now the second characteristics is transactions of goods and services takes place. All businesses produce or purchase goods and services in order to sell it to others for certain price, but it could also be done for a not for profit motive. So they could be issuing it for free or at a concessionary rate. So we'll be looking into not for profit later. So the next feature of the business is continuous transaction takes place. Now, if the transaction of goods and services are done continuously for a long period of time, then it's known as a business. What does mean longer period of time? Now, let's look into another example to understand this characteristic. Imagine you have got an old phone. So you put an ad and then sell it. But you do it only once. So does it become a business? No. But on the other hand, if you are selling phones on a regular basis, now this becomes a business. With the example, I now hope that you have understood the characteristics well. So let's move on to the next feature. Now the next feature is businesses are motivated by profits. The basic goal of any business normally is to earn money and make a profit. So profit in simple terms means where income exceeds the revenue that you have generated is exceeding the expenses that you have incurred. So as I said before, there could be businesses without profit motive, but rather motivated by benefits. Profit in a business field is essential for the expansion of a business. So I hope that you have understood the profit concept now. As I said, we'll be discussing the not for profit later. Now the next feature is businesses has a risk. In business, due to the uncertainty of earning a profit or loss, there's always a risk involved. Now, the following are some facts that would affect the profit and will create uncertainty for any business. So, changes in consumer taste, design, or even demand could affect the business. Increase in competition, so the competitors start to produce new products, etc. Then employee problems, staff grievances. There could be also problems a business could face through theft. So these are common risks that any business would face. So that is also one characteristics of a business. Now moving on to the next characteristics, that business create wants. As we all know, wants in other hand means different ways to fulfill the needs. So what business does is that they create products that would satisfy the needs in variety of forms. Example, now earlier we didn't have something as a smartwatch. All we had was basic watches which showed only the time. But with introduction of smartwatches, we tend to see a lot of features like answering a message, even can see who's calling, etc. And coming to basic example, we didn't have something known as cheese kottu or even masala or different type of kottus. So these were all wants that were created by businesses. Now moving on to the next feature, economic activity. So every business should involve in economic activity to produce goods and services. So while involving in producing goods and services, they have to use them with the limited resources that are available. For a small or medium scale business or even large scale business would find cash a very limited resource available, because with the available amount of cash they need to involve in producing goods or services or even purchasing them, then involve in administration, marketing, finance, etc. So that is a huge task. And companies like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and other beverages companies would find water a very limited resource, because we have a certain amount of only drinking water is available out of the entire water resource that are available to us. And certain beverages companies unethically exploits these water resources that are available. So regarding the unethical part, we'll be looking into very detail in the second chapter. So that's it for this video, guys. We have looked into the business characteristics today and hope to see you soon in the next video. Until then, do like, share and comment your questions below. Cheers.